star. And there were a couple M-class flare events, once again impulsive and without CMEs launched at Earth. We haven't taken that coronal whole solar wind intensification yet, and it may have missed us. We'll be watching today. We do still see several active regions on the Sun, and not just the ones we've been watching since they appeared over the incoming limb, but a new one on the south. You can see it was born in the last day and is growing fairly rapidly, so in addition to the solar wind, we'll be watching the sunspot groups for more flaring as well. We're off to seismicity, where a 6.6 struck the Panama-Colombia border region. No immediate reports of damage in the sparsely populated area. It's a very good thing.